So, guys, just got out of the L26, and unfortunately, it is the wrong station. This is Lumpini Park, not the metro station by the palace. So, we are going to change plans and go to the park a little bit, and then from there, we'll continue to the palace, maybe on foot because it's not that far, maybe about a 20-minute walk. But we can also take the metro again and see what happens. But the park here is it's very nice. It's really nice to come at night and read, in even during the day, to get away from the hot sun, because it does have a lot of lakes and ponds, and you can see it has a very city feeling, because you're right in the middle of like a skyscraper city. So the palace is actually in that direction there, which I don't know what orientation that is, except maybe it's like south, maybe southwest a little bit. But from here you can see that there's also the SkyTrain, but I don't believe that's the BTS line. It's actually a different line, and we're going to continue in that direction in a bit, but we're going to go to the park. Looks like they even have the park decorated with the Christmas lights. I wonder how this looks like at night. It must be very beautiful. So this is actually near one of the roads that there's a lot of foreign embassies around. So I think we're gonna see a lot of foreigners for that reason. Look at the street. It's very relaxing here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue towards the palace, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the GoPro because it looks like the battery is already less than half, and we'll try to get some footage from there. Hopefully we'll get to catch a scammer. All right guys, later.